Hello everyone, and welcome to Accounting with Yana. Today we will talk about a very common problem that accountants face when they bring employee expense data into Excel from other software. The numbers may look correct on your screen, but Excel cannot add them up because there are hidden spaces inside each cell. In this video, we will solve this problem using a feature called Flash Fill. It works with a simple keyboard shortcut, and it takes only a second to use. When data is exported from another program, it sometimes comes with an extra spaces before or after the numbers. Excel sees those spaces and treats the cell as text, not as a real number. This means you cannot use the cells in a sum formula or any other calculation. We need to clean the data first before we can work with it. There are several ways to clean data in Excel. Today, we will use Flash Fill, which is one of the fastest and easiest methods available. Step 1. Open your Excel file and find the column with the exported expense amounts. You will notice that when you try to add them up, the total shows 0 or returns an error. Step 2. Click on the empty column right next to your expense data. We will use this new column to build a clean version of the numbers. Step 3. Look at the first value in your expense column. Type that same value in the first cell of your new column, but this time type it without any spaces before or after the number. Press Enter to confirm your entry and move one cell down. You don't need to type anything in that next cell yet. Step 4. Press Ctrl+E on your keyboard or go to Data, Flash Fill. Excel will look at the example you just typed and automatically fill in all the remaining cells with clean values. Voila! This is the Flash Fill feature in action. Excel recognizes the pattern from your first entry and applies the same cleaning to every single row below it. Let us pause and look at the results. Your new column should now show all the expense amounts without any extra spaces. If you are finding this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. This helps us create more tutorials just like this one. Have a question or an Excel tip to share? Leave a comment below. Your comments help YouTube recommend this video to more people, allowing others to discover useful Excel tips and tricks and improve their skills. I also have many other videos on using Excel for accounting. If you would like to learn more Excel tips and techniques, I encourage you to explore the videos on my channel. I am posting a link here and have included additional links in the description below. That's all for today. Please make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and ring the notification bell so you're notified when we release more videos like this. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all again in the next video.